Get ready to explore a collection of extraordinary bikes that will leave you in awe. From innovative locking solutions to futuristic designs, these bikes push the boundaries of what cycling can be. Are you seeking ultimate security? What about the cutting-edge technology? Or maybe just a unique ride? Well, these cool bikes are a must-see for every cycling enthusiast. FOLDYLOCK Compact. Introducing the compact and ultimate solution to safeguard your beloved bike from theft. Say goodbye to ordinary locks and embrace this revolutionary device that is not only compact and foldable, but also impressively robust. With its ability to withstand tests involving saws, wire cutters, hammers, and extreme temperatures, the FOLDYLOCK Compact ensures maximum security and peace of mind. Plus, its convenient attachment system allows you to fix it at any angle or effortlessly attach it directly to your bike frame when not in use. Experience superior protection for just $85. Reevo. Next, get ready to embrace the future of cycling, a game-changing creation by the visionary startup Bino. Breaking away from traditional designs, Reevo ditches hubs and spokes, resulting in an incredibly unique and eye-catching aesthetic. But it's not just about looks. The wheels have been rigorously tested with a remarkable load capacity of up to 265 pounds, while cutting-edge fingerprint-activated locking system, integrated anti-theft features, and GPS beacons ensure unrivaled security. With a range of approximately 37 miles and a sleek single-speed setup, Reevo weighs in at only 55 pounds and starts at $2,700, making it the ultimate choice for the modern cyclist seeking innovation and performance. The Hexagon. Say goodbye to worries about cycling safety in bustling cities with this ingenious device. This innovative taillight not only attaches seamlessly to your bike, but also connects to your smartphone, providing a real-time visual feed from the built-in camera. With Hexagon's multifunctionality as a directional light, brake light, and intermittent mode, you'll enhance your visibility on the road, especially in low-light conditions. Plus, stream videos directly from your bike and stay informed and protected for $40. Ride with confidence and stay connected with Hexagon. The Razor DXT Drift Bike. Get ready to unleash your inner street racer with this exhilarating trike. Perfect for those seeking the thrill of high-speed action on a budget. This trike delivers spectacular drifts and endless excitement. With an adjustable seat and a maximum weight capacity of 198 pounds, it guarantees a comfortable and thrilling ride. Its low center of gravity, coupled with the go-kart-inspired 10-inch rear wheels, ensures excellent stability and allows you to confidently master the art of drifting. Weighing approximately 20 pounds, all riders are advised to wear protective gear and must be at least 14 years old. Priced at just $100, the electric version is also available for $400, taking your drifting experience to electrifying heights. Get ready to carve the streets in style with the Razor DTX Drift Trike. The Retyre Modular Tyre System. Calling all cycling enthusiasts who refuse to compromise and crave seamless adaptability. Say goodbye to time wasted and limitations faced while cycling, as this Norwegian invention allows you to effortlessly transform your bike on the go. With a compact set of additional tires stored in a convenient bag, a simple tire tread swap becomes a reality, providing optimal traction and control as you seamlessly transition from asphalt to sand or any changing terrain. Thanks to its heavy-duty zipper, the entire process takes less than a minute, giving you more time to enjoy the ride. Compatible with any bike, Retyre offers 4 tire options for gravel, snow, ice, and off-road adventures, priced attractively from $45 to $88. Unleash the true potential of your cycling experience with the Retyre Modular Tyre System. The PEBL. Embark on a remarkable journey across the United States with this extraordinary e-bike crafted by a local startup that never ceases to amaze. This mini vehicle or transportation boasts a body made of hemp fabric infused with soy-based resin, resulting in a lightweight yet robust design capable of carrying up to 351 pounds. With its ability to conquer all seasons and accommodate 2 adults comfortably, PEBL offers a range of 25 to 100 miles on a single charge, reaching a top speed of 25 miles per hour. Equipped with a heating system, a dashboard featuring a USB port, convenient lights, and a horn, PEBL is your ultimate companion for unforgettable adventures. Get ready to embark on the journey of a lifetime with prices starting at $11,000. The Unit 1 Faro. Next, a bike helmet that not only prioritizes your safety, but also ensures you stand out on the road, especially in low-light conditions. Packed with a comprehensive LED lighting system, the Faro helmet features front and rear lights that effectively communicate braking, turning, and enhance your visibility to motorists. With its water-resistant and intelligent ventilation system, comfort is guaranteed, making every ride a breeze. Invest in your safety and style for just $169 with the Unit 1 Faro, a helmet designed to illuminate your journey. The Rungu Juggernaut. Looking for an electric off-road bike transportation that breaks the mold? Feast your eyes on the Rungu Juggernaut, an extraordinary ride that defies convention. With its distinctive feature of 2 front wheels set 9 inches apart, this mode of transportation offers revolutionary stability and a 75-25 weight distribution, all complemented by an impressive long wheelbase. Priced from $5,000, this heavyweight champion weighs in at 110 pounds and can carry loads of up to 350 pounds. Experience the freedom to explore with a wide range spanning from 17 to 309 miles on a single charge, subject to various off-road factors influencing battery consumption. Unleash your adventurous spirit with the Rungu Juggernaut. Innovation, power, and limitless possibilities await. The Bosch Kiox. Revamp your biking experience with this one, an onboard computer designed to revolutionize your ride. With its sleek interface and effortless attachment to your handlebar, Kiox seamlessly syncs with your smartphone, guiding you to your destination with precision, revealing turn-by-turn directions and even keeping you informed about the distance left to conquer. Say goodbye to getting lost and hello to a new level of biking convenience with the indispensable Bosch Kiox. The KBO Ranger. Check this out. You may also want to get your hands on the ultimate companion for delivery warriors. Built to conquer cargo challenges, this electric marvel effortlessly carries a staggering 400-pound load, powering through 60 miles of urban terrain on a single charge. With a removable battery that fully rejuvenates in just 5 hours, the Ranger is equipped with safety essentials like LED headlights and brake lights, a reinforced rear rack capable of supporting 120 pounds, and a comfortable understated design that focuses on functionality. Don't miss your chance to own this reliable workhorse, priced at approximately $1,700. The Kwiggle Folding Bike. Experience the power of compactness with this extraordinary bike. Weighing a mere 22 pounds, this tiny titan defies expectations, propelling you to speeds of up to 19 miles per hour while supporting a remarkable load of 221 pounds. When folded, it transforms into a sleek block measuring just 22 by 16 by 10 inches, complete with wheels for effortless portability, resembling a convenient suitcase companion. Engineered in Germany to provide a relaxed and fatigue-free ride, this remarkable folding bike ensures optimal muscle management, making your cycling adventures a breeze. Starting at a price of $1,500, unleash the true potential of mobility with the Kwiggle Folding Bike. The Standup Varibike. Next up, unleash the spirit of 3 thrilling sports with one bike. A revolutionary ride inspired by ski running, stand-up paddling, and rollerblading. Effortlessly folding in a mere 3 seconds, this versatile transportation model conveniently fits in any car trunk, offering a reminiscent kick bike experience. With its 4 gears and customizable training options, you can choose to ride using only your hands or legs, pushing the boundaries of coordination and endurance while turning heads wherever you go. Equipped with a front drum brake, optional rear fender brake, and wide rear wheel, the Standup Varibike ensures a comfortable and exhilarating journey. Stand out from the crowd and embark on this unique adventure, priced at approximately $1,300. The Swing Bike. And last but certainly not least, embark on a journey through time with this captivating two-wheeler, a rich history rooted in the 1960s. Inspired by the tricks performed by enthusiastic children, an American visionary crafted a bike with 2 forks, giving birth to the iconic Swing Bike. Following refinements, patents, and a surge in popularity, mass production began in Taiwan in 1974, propelling this unique concept to new heights. Experience the pinnacle of innovation with the Swing King Elite Disc 2021 model, priced at approximately $600, and embrace a piece of cycling history that continues to captivate riders to this day. The world of cycling never ceases to amaze with its constant innovation and groundbreaking designs. This list of top top coolest bikes showcased a glimpse into what the future of cycling looks like. From advanced security systems to adaptive tire solutions and eco-friendly materials. Whether you're an urban commuter, a thrill-seeking adventurer, or simply someone who appreciates remarkable craftsmanship, these bikes will capture your imagination and elevate your riding experience. Gear up, hit the road, and discover the incredible world of bikes that push the limits of what's possible on two wheels. As always, thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next episode of Tech Brilliance TV.